The fear of sudden loud noises, known as lerophobia, can be a startling challenge for many, disrupting daily life and creating heightened anxiety in seemingly innocuous settings. Imagine Jane, who found herself paralyzed with fear during a routine fire drill at work. Her fight-or-flight response kicked in, reminding her of an earlier traumatic experience. Such fears often stem from past shocks or PTSD, leading to involuntary reactions. To overcome this, experts recommend gradual desensitization and mindfulness techniques to mute the initial panic. Jane's journey involved practicing deep breathing and focusing exercises to regain control in these situations. Through therapy and consistent practice, she discovered her strength in vulnerability, embracing her gradual yet steady progress. This transformation is a testament to the resilience inherent in facing our fears.